In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front outside door handles on this Dodge Dart. Let's get into it. Pop this cap off. I'm just going to use a trim tool, just like that. Now I'm going to use a T20 socket, loosen up the screw. As you loosen it, just wiggle the cap. At some point the cap will come off. We're not going to pull the screw out completely. A little more. There we go. Just slide that out. Now you want to make sure the window is in the all the way up position, and grab the handle, slide it towards the outside, pull this out, and this will slide out just like that. Disconnect the connector, just push down, slide that off. Take the new door handle, plug the connector in, slide that in, and then push it towards the center of the car. Now we're going to separate this cap. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver and just get under here. There's just a clip right there. You could use a pick if you want to. This just rocks off just like that. Now take the new cap, slide it in, and lock it down. Now just slide this in. Might have to pull the handle out a little bit. Now tighten that screw down. And there you go. Just snug, not too tight. Make sure that's good. Take this cap, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.